Hi traders, it's Roberto. This is an update on London close, and I just realized the trade room is closing prematurely, and we're not even able to analyze the markets for the London close. And for example, like today, the London close didn't really happen on some of these pairs till around 1 p.m. Eastern. So I think what I'm going to do from now on is at least keep the trade room open until we can clearly see that a London close trade is in effect. And so I took this trade about an hour ago. On a London close, I only wait for a color change candle, and let me just give you an idea what that looks like. Okay, let's start with pound Aussie. Obviously, the market was completely oversold at this point. I calculate how many pips the market went down, almost 200 pips, and then we have a color change candle. As soon as the candles turn green, I enter a trade, and usually I'm out before the Asian session. That's that first trade. Still in the trade, and by the time you get this video, you probably won't be able to enter the market because it's moved too much already. I'm up 19 pips, 18 pips, 11 pips on. I took the pound New Zealand twice, and I took Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand, and I was supposed to take, this is the trade, and I'm going to take it right now. It's the pound Aussie trade. Okay, so let's go through each one. Pound New Zealand. At about 1 o'clock, well, actually even before that, about 1:30, actually the Eastern time is the trade that I took. But I'm just looking at green. I'm looking at a color change candle. Didn't even wait for the candle to finish. It's just that the market. It's a London close. Anywhere between 11 till 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I start looking for retracements. And oftentimes what I'll do is scroll down to a 15-minute or a 30-minute chart and wait for the market. For example, here on the 30-minute chart, we had a color change candle, and we start seeing the market start to retrace. And you have to react immediately because every pip is important. So the earlier you can get in, and it's more of a time issue, you want to take that trade anywhere from 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So anytime you see the market take a direction, then just go ahead. Don't wait for the market to qualify. Don't wait for a color change candle and then get in on the next candle. I just take the trade because the markets are closing in London, and there's a lot of settlement at that time, and it's who's going to want to be selling at these levels anyway? So that's my thinking. Let's look at the Euro Australian dollar. Same thing. This one was a lot easier because it closed at a green candle, and I entered on the next candle. A little bit late, but still entered that trade. Euro New Zealand dollar, same thing. There was a color change candle. Again, that was about an hour ago, and just automatically take the trade on the next candle. Okay. I think there was a color change candle on pound yen, and yeah, there it was. There's the, I know we took this trade going north, and remember I instructed everyone just to get out of this trade because we're getting very close to the London close, and that was 1-2 hours ago. So that was, the yen crosses usually tend to reverse around 11, 12 o'clock. The pound Aussie, the pound New Zealand, and Euro Aussie and Euro New Zealand, oftentimes they start turning around 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time. Okay, that's it for the update. Remember, tonight's Asian session is at 9 p.m. and not 8 o'clock. The schedule has changed, and tomorrow we have New York session at 8 o'clock. Okay, hope you have a good week. See you guys tonight in the trade room.